I feel like smiling, in fact, because this such a situation I had passing through at the time when our leader who had formed KNAM, who respected Bapo Lindo, at that time when he abolished KNAM, everyone expected me to join Congress or to join BJP, but the same as today. So let's time will decide everything, because I believe always in time. On the time. As time is a great healer, time is correct to take any decision. In fact, I don't have any problem. I don't know why, how such a question arises, because I'm still a full-fledged member of the VVP. No, so now, in fact, 2 months away. 2 months back, I had some kind of thought that I may go to the court to get a clarification on this suspension letter, which they had suspended me. And till now I'm not taken. I'm not taking myself as a suspended lead. MLA. I just feel that the way that they suspended me, it was very suspense. It was very suspense. Let's time decide. And I don't really understand why they have to take such a decision without appealing me or without requesting me to come forward to sit and have a talk. Why such a situation arises? So myself, I don't really accept this suspension, as the Honorable Speaker of the Assembly also had already spelled out that I'm still being as a full-fledged member of the VPP.